Hi, I'm Chris from Driver Training and welcome to our 2-minute-ish tutorial on pulling up on the right. Today we're going to be using our Manoeuvres guidebook. This gives you the pictures that your pupils need, but also gives you the help that you need to explain it fully. On the left side are the outlines for your part 3, the recap, the objective, and of course how to do it. So with the picture on the right, that's how we want to end up. Our objective is to pull up on the right, parallel and reasonably close to the curb. Now the reason for this is you may have roads where you can only pull up on the right, or you could have a busy road where the only spaces are on the right. So the first thing we have to do is look, assess and decide where to pull up. Do we have bus stops on either side of the road? Do we have signs telling us like double yellow lines, zigzag lines, road gets narrow, any junctions? Reason for this is it's not just enough to pull up past the bus stop, but remember the second part is we've got to reverse back 2 car lengths. And that's the same with the picture on the right. We may see a space in front of a car, but do we have enough room then to reverse back 2 car lengths? Otherwise you won't complete the manoeuvre. So once we've found somewhere, just think of it like a right turn. We want to check our centre and right mirror. If it's a busy road, you may want to check your blind spots for motorbikes or scooters. And with the picture on the right, we think of pulling up on the right like a right turn. So if there are vehicles coming towards us, we still do our mirrors and signal, pull up alongside the white line like we'd normally do, wait for the cars to pass and then move across. When we move across, we don't want to end up at an angle. We want to try and make it so that we're level with the curb, and I'll give you a focal point for that later. Once we've pulled up on the right, we have to reverse back 2 car lengths. That gives us room to see past the vehicle in front, which is the picture on the right, so we can see whether we can go or not. If the car pulls up close, we can reverse back a little further. In the same manner, once we've pulled up, if a car pulls behind us and blocks our view, as in the left picture, you are allowed to move forward slightly to make sure it's safe to go. Then you need to check your centre mirror, left blind spot, signal left, and then when it's safe, drive on. We hope this has helped you with your briefing. Now this is just a basic outline to give you a rough idea. With a more advanced student you would use more questions, but we've done this just to help you have that outline of what to say. If you've got any questions or there's anything we can help with, don't forget, leave us a comment, let us know. Otherwise, thanks for joining us today. My name's Chris. Continue to teach safe, and we'll see you all again soon.